Hey there. So, inside HubSpot, a lot of different features exist. One of those features is the ability to add documents. And today, we are going to tell you how you can add a document to a page, blog post, or an email inside HubSpot. So, guys, in order to add documents inside your blog post, maybe website or email, what you need to do is follow these steps. So firstly, log into your HubSpot dashboard. Once that is done, maybe click on content, click on blog. If I wish to add the links to the blog first, click on edit on the particular blog post that you wish to edit. And once that blog post opens up, maybe I want to add the link to some particular phrase. So I select that phrase and then I click on the insert link button, link to file, and click on select a file. And here you'll be greeted with the existing file options, or I can upload a file of my choice. So maybe I want to upload this document and I'll just upload this. Now once this is uploaded, file is uploaded with public visibility, I can click on this file and the link is inserted. And I can also enable this option that I want to open this link in a new window, and I click on insert and then I finally click on update, and my changes would be live with the document link on this blog post. Now, what if I want to do the same thing on something like a website page? So I click on exit and now I go to something like content, go to website pages. Once I am inside the website pages, here I click on something like maybe this page, click on edit. Now, once this page opens up, what I need to do is add the document here. So maybe I add a rich text module here, wherein I'll have the option to add my document. So I click here, add the rich text module. I don't need all of these things. So I will just select all of this. My document is here, and maybe I want to insert my document inside this particular hyperlinked text. So I click on here, click on the insert link button, and when I link to file, select the file, just uploaded this file. So I select this one, click on insert, and my job is done. It's that easy. And then finally, when my job is done, I can click on publish. So we have not put a title over here, so that's why page title is not present. So test page. Okay, good to go. And now we can finally publish this page and it's live. Now once this is done, the same steps can be followed for something like the landing pages. So we click on exit and go back to home page, and we go back to the section wherein we can access the landing pages. So I can click on maybe content, click on landing pages. Now once inside landing pages, choose a landing page of your choice, click on edit. Now on the landing page, choose a place where you want to insert your document. Click on the plus icon, search for rich text and add the module. Here, we don't want all of this text, so I'll just delete this, and the document is here, and I'll just select the text of my choice and then click on the insert link button, link to file, select a file. We select the file that we had just uploaded and click on the insert button. The job is done, click on update, and the document is now linked. And now, in case you need to add the document to your knowledge base, click on content, click on knowledge base. Here, click on the knowledge base that you need to edit. Now, once you are inside the knowledge base, you can insert your link here using the same options, link to file, select the file of the choice, and then click on insert. And you can click on publish and your job will be done. Now, in case you want to add the document to your marketing email, that is also very simple. Click on marketing and then click on marketing email. Here, you would be greeted by a lot of different emails that you have. Maybe I want to edit this one. I click on edit And once we are inside the email, the process is similar as before, that select a text of your choice, or you can add a new text module, rich text module, and select the text of your choice and just click on the link button. And here you have to link this to file. Select the file, the document that we had uploaded. Now just select that document. When this is done, click on insert, and then finally click on review and send, and your job will be done. So guys, I hope these steps were easy to follow, and in case you are still running into any sorts of issues or doubts, feel free to reach out to us in the comment section below. We at CT9 are always eager to help you, and we are there at your beck and call. Just reach out to us via the QR code on the screen in front of you, or via the link in the pinned comment below, for a free one-on-one consultation call. Yes, no hidden charges and all. Yes, consultation is absolutely free, and we'll help you build that dream project of yours. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.